Court calls case number 21-144-120. This is Anderson Medical Supplies Incorporated versus City of Detroit. Matter is before the court for review. It was previously set over for case evaluation mediation. Your appearance for Anderson, please. Do I have City of Detroit on this matter?
Yes, Your Honor. Gregory Pattison, P75963 here on behalf of defendant City of Detroit.
All right, thank you, Mr. Patterson, and good morning to you, sir. Have you seen the other side on this? I know I had it set up for mediation, evaluation, that kind of thing. Go ahead, sir.
I have not yet today, but I have been bouncing back and forth between this courtroom and another courtroom, so that very well may be the case. I don't know if plaintiff's counsel has checked in yet, but I have not seen them.
All right, so do you know anything about the status of this matter in regard to that mediation evaluation in this matter?
Yes, Your Honor. We did attend mediation. I believe it was earlier this week, if I'm not mistaken, or let me double check that. But yes, it was actually Monday. We attended that case evaluation. There was an award. I don't know if there's been a jury demand or not, but we have completed that. I believe the accept reject obviously is not yet passed.
All right. So my inclination, Mr. Patterson, is to go ahead and adjourn it over and give time for that process to run maybe 30 days or so.
I would have no problem with that, Your Honor.
And then I'll take another look at it at that time. So I'm going to go ahead and formally grant that adjournment 30 days hence. That's going to set us over to November.
Can you try the 29th?
All right, November 29th, 2021, and that's going to be at 9:30 a.m.
Very well, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Counsel. All right, this is case number 21-150312. This is Ford Motor Company LLC versus Leonard Hilms. The matter is before the court. Looks like set on for a pretrial conference. The court did establish a scheduling order on a previous occasion and set today's date for a final settlement conference at this time. Your appearance for Ford Motor Credit?
Yes, Your Honor. Shamir McCoy, PA5178, on behalf of Ford Motor Credit Company.
All right. Thank you, Ms. McCoy. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning to you.
I'm looking for Leonard Hilms. Do I have Leonard Hilms on this Zoom? All right, the matter is set on for 9:30 this morning. Ms. McCoy, any contact with Mr. Hilms? Any progression on this case that you're aware of?
No, Your Honor. He sent our office a couple interrogatories and requests for discovery. However, I submitted those back to him, but I haven't been able to get a hold of him. And I also sent him a copy of our motion for summary disposition. He didn't respond to that either.
All right, and I do see in the file. Let me just look at one other thing for a second. Of course, I see the request for default that was submitted back in June. And looking at another copy here where I do see your motion for summary disposition, and that was filed on about the 17th of September, 2021. I do not see a response to the same. Have you received any response to the motion, Madam Council?
No, Your Honor.
All right, so it's been 20 minutes or so. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it 5 more minutes, Council, and then I'll make a formal determination of the outcome of this matter.
Okay, no problem. No problem. Thank you, Your Honor.
The court can call this case number 2167202. This is Detroit Healing Hands Physical Center, AKA Baker Hunter or Hunter Baker versus Allstate Fire and Casualty. For the plaintiff in this matter, please.
Good morning, Judge. My name is Jordan Miller. I'm representing the defendant in this matter. I've spoken with the plaintiff's attorney. She's stuck in federal court with Judge Sean Cox all morning and doesn't believe she'll be able to make it. So I think the consensus for us is seeking a little bit more time. We, the defendant in this case, are also asking for a motion date for an MSD on 1 year back, Judge.
All right, very well. So what I will do, in light of the fact that counsel is in another court, particularly of higher jurisdiction, and given your collegiality in this matter as well, I will go ahead and grant the adjournment, setting the matter over for the 29th of November 29th. I'm going to set that on for 9:45. And I will set that as a motion hearing date as well. Any motion that is filed will be heard on that date, so long as the opposing party has at least 7 days opportunity to respond. So long as you file your motion early enough to allow for at least 7 days for the opposing party to respond to the motion, the court will hear that motion on 11/29 at 9:45 a.m.
Thank you very much, Judge.
Thank you, counsel. And I will issue an order with that particular language, setting the due date, and also the language regarding the amending of the rules for purposes of the following the motion in this matter.
Okay. Thank you very much, Your Honor.
Thank you, counsel. Good day to you, sir.
And you as well.
All right, and we're back on the record regarding the suffix 0312. That's Ford Motor Credit Company LLC versus Leonard Humes. I know that counsel for the plaintiff is present on this record and has indicated so. Do I have Mr. Helms? Mr. Helms, this is the second call on this matter. All right, it appears that Defendant Helms has not appeared in this matter. It further appears that there was a motion filed in this matter for summary disposition. That motion was submitted to the court on the 17th of September 2021. Based upon the court's reading of the motion, it sounds in a C9 and C10 motion, and that this case arises out of a vehicle purchase contract and in suit regarding a deficiency balance. The plaintiff, the plaintiff in this matter has indicated by the filing of his motion that the responsive pleading, that is the answer to the complaint, does not raise a valid defense. And then moreover, there is no genuine material issue of fact, except perhaps as to the issue of damage amount. The defendant has not responded to the motion, and I've taken a look at the answer that was provided herein, and facially it does not appear to be responsive, but appears to simply be a general denial, indicating in each case, items 1 through 11, that the defendant lacks sufficient information and therefore denies the allegation. Without something further, if the court having to rely upon the pleadings under MCR 2.116C9, if I take everything at face value, even deferring to the defendant in this matter, assuming facts in his favor based upon the submission of the pleading, this court still could not find that there is a defense that is raised to the claim that has been asserted herein. Accordingly, given that there is no answer to it, does not appear, given the view of the answer in this matter, certainly the court would find that the answer to the complaint has failed to state a valid defense or to assert anything that might be raised as a way to again defend against the complaint that is brought herein. There does not then appear to be any genuine material issue of fact in this matter. Therefore, a motion for summary disposition will be granted. I will grant, in granting the motion, the court also will grant a judgment upon the motion as pled in the complaint and will sign the order consistent therewith. I have received, Madam Counsel, your offer of entry of default in this matter. Of course, the defendant is not here, and I've also received attached to that an order for entry of default, proposed order for entry of default judgment, and that order provides for entry of judgment in the total amount of $19,030.32. Well, I don't know which way you want to do it. You might want to amend that order a bit, but you can send it by email if you want to do that.
Okay. So would you like me to submit the default judgment or the order for motion for summary disposition? Because I believe it was attached to the back of the motion.
Let me take a look at that.
I think it's behind the brief. I'm sorry, Your Honor.
No, we just, Zoom does that to us sometimes.
Yeah.
It seems to me that in either case, you end up with the same result. But clearly here, looking at the answer, the pleadings in this matter, I don't see any viability to the defense. So that's why I went ahead of summary disposition, but defendant is a default as well. And I am looking now at your, that you did submit a separate order, so you were a step ahead. Yeah. So, in granting the motion for summary disposition in this matter, I'm going to sign that order. And I know that some of the relief that you're requesting there is far-reaching. You're asking for the opportunity to seize the vehicle.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right,
yes, because it's a lease. it's a leased vehicle and the defendant has failed to return it. And so there's not only damages, but, you know, the vehicle is out as well.
All right, got you. In person, is subject to appropriate penalties or same, including imprisonment and county jail. Wow. Yeah, you covered all the bases and collapsed about 4 or 5 steps.
Yeah. Yes, unfortunately, that's the manner in which we have to go, you know.
Yeah, you usually, we gradually, allow those steps.
Yeah. Yeah, we've tried, our office has tried to contact him, Ford Credit has tried to contact him, you know, just to regain possession of the vehicle, you know. But the deficiency balances, you know, can be handled at a later time, but, you know, with both out, you know, and that's a substantial amount.
Yes.
Yes.
All right, Madam Council, I'm going to go ahead and sign your order. I've got it here. So I'm entering the order based on the motion for summary disposition. And again, the record would note that the defendant is in default as well by having failed to appear for this hearing on today's. So the order has been signed. We'll get that out to the respective parties. Good day to you.
Okay, thank you so much, Your Honor. Have a great day.
And you as well. See you soon.
Bye-bye.
Mr. Weberman, you are there for something, correct?
Yes, I'm HS Financial versus Carolyn King.
For some reason, I do not have that file in front of me. This is the top one. Got you listed here. I just don't know.
I don't know why. Someone must have. Check it out. I had it was there. I don't know what they did.
All right, this is case number 19-176-077. That's HS Financial Group LLC versus Carolyn King. The matter is before the court on the issuance of a subpoena, and actually, I believe that there's a petition for show cause at this time. Your appearance at this time, counsel.
Daniel Weberman, P76609 on behalf of the plaintiff.
Thank you, Mr. Weberman. Do I have Ms. Carolyn King on this Zoom? Carolyn King? All right, Mr. Weberman, go right ahead, sir.
Your Honor, the defendant was personally served in this matter on Thursday, October 7th. I would therefore request a bench warrant be issued.
All right, and that the service in this matter had to do with the petition to show cause after the defendant previously failed to appear on this subpoena. Is that correct, counsel?
That is correct, Your Honor.
All right, and that's because I don't have the file in front of me, but I do have some notations on the registered action. All right, the court will grant bench warrant in this matter where the defendant has failed to appear to show cause regarding this matter. And the bond on the bench warrant will be set at $2,000. And I will say the same upon present, sir. Thank you.
All right, thank you, Your Honor. I'll have it sent in.
I see someone on Greco last name. Tell me why, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right. Go ahead.
I'm here on the United Lab versus City of Detroit matter on behalf of the city.
Okay, I think, let me see, that one for the city.
United Lab, she said,
Yes.
that one was for affiliated diagnostics.
478.
Yeah,
So,
I don't know, United Lab, 478. Yeah, is it ending 478?
yeah, what's the,
No, it's ending in 615.
No, what's the case number?
yeah, full case number if you will.
21-157-615.
Just one moment.
That's Judge Robinson.
Oh,
Judge
Judge
Ross.
Robinson.
I
Yeah.
see. Okay, thank you. Sorry.
Good day to you.
Have a good day.
Madam Reporter, you good out there?
Yep, how are you today, Your Honor?
I am well.
Pleasure to work with you this morning.
And likewise. I think, at least for now, we've covered everything
All right.
that we needed to cover on the record.
And how's the family?
Family's good. Everybody's doing well. I'm incredibly grateful. That's for sure.
Oh, and blessed also.
Absolutely. All is well with you?
Yes, it is. Thank you.
It's wonderful. All right. Well, we will give a signal or something to you if anything else comes up where we need to pull you back in here, all right?
And thank you so much because I gave the clerk my phone number to Deisha.
Yes.
Okay, thank you and have a great day, all of you. Thank you.
As well.